We've been waiting a while for this, the JBL Boombox 3, a beautiful unit with amazing sound. And check this out. It's actually waterproof and dustproof. You can put this in your 3-foot swimming pool up to 30 minutes. It's going to be fine. And look at this. When it's plugged in, you got 80 watts. You've got like 5 speakers. And then when it's on battery power, it kind of goes down a little bit, but not enough where it's really noticeable. So it comes really well packaged in really eco-friendly packaging. It's all cardboard, and then it's wrapped up in this nice cottonish kind of cloth, and the thing's just gorgeous. Look at the size of the thing. Now it's heavy, so you're going to carry this around. You need to be aware that it's pretty heavy. The thing's got some girth to it. Now the connection, you're going to plug it in via a regular AC port, and it also has a charging port here, and of course your mini jack if you want to plug in your karaoke or whatever you want to do here. Here's the power cord it comes with, the charger up. Supposedly it'll give you 24 hours of music straight through. It's got a little charging indicator on the bottom there, and you can see where it is in terms of its charging progress. And you just fire it up here. You've got the power switch. You've got the Bluetooth pairing, which starts blinking automatically and knows that, hey, you just took me out of the box. Simple to pair up with your phone, with your TV. I paired it with my computer. It handles multiple devices, so that's pretty cool. You're going to want to download this JBL portable app because there is a firmware upgrade to the device itself, which actually makes it sound better. So you take it out of the box, I'm like, hey, this doesn't sound right. Do the firmware upgrade to at least 0.3, and you're going to notice a huge difference. But my goodness, the bass on this thing, check this out for yourself. It's amazing.